So I'm going to change some images on this website, and I'm going to show you a perfect place to get free images. I'm going to open up a new tab and then type in Unsplash, unsplash.com. These are our friends over on Unsplash that we use all the time to get absolutely beautiful images from all around the world. They're absolutely incredible for anything you want to do on your website. There's all kinds of things here: adventure, travel, photography, landscapes and portraits, anything you can think of. It's really an amazing website. So this is where I'm going to get some images for this website, and all you do is click on an image, let's say this one, and then you click on download. Up here it says you can say thanks. You don't need to do credit, but it's appreciated. So you can do that if you want to, and then you've got that image to use. So back on the website, as I said, you'd click here to change the image. I'm going to do that, and then you've got upload files or media library. In your media library, you're going to have loads and loads of different images, and these came with the template that we imported, the Astra starter site. Let's go to upload files and select files, and this is how you would import your own images. So these are just some images that I've downloaded from that website, and I'm going to use on the header. So I'm going to select that one and then open that, and as you can see, it's going to start to upload. You don't need to do anything else here. Once it's uploaded, it's all done, and all you do then is click on Insert Media down here. So once that's done, click on Insert Media, and that gets placed inside your website perfectly. It's all done for you. There's no moving it about or worrying about if it's going to work for mobile or anything like that. It is done now. It's working on mobile, on iPads, everywhere. So you don't need to do anything else. And as I said, you've got the position here to move it around if you want to. Let's try bottom center. You've got more ocean. Top center. There we go. I like that actually. That looks really good. That is absolutely beautiful. I think I like center actually. Let's try that. Yeah, I love that. Okay, let's go with that. And then this image, as you can see, looks a bit dark. So that's because it's got a background overlay. Let's click on there. And then you can minimize this by doing this. Changing the opacity here. I'm going to just change it like that. Keep it like that. That looks great. You can change the color there if you wanted to. And that's how it's looking. It's looking beautiful. All right. Now to change this text, going forwards, I'm probably not going to change any text, but I'm just going to show you how to do these things. That's all I'm going to do. There's no need for me to change anything, but to show you how you can do it. So let's click on text. That's all you have to do. Just click on something and the options come up on the left. And now you can type in anything that you want in here and it's going to change. You can add a link if you wanted to. You can, there's a size here. You can change alignment, left or right, center, and so on. Very straightforward and simple to do. In style, you've got the text color and the typography. A typography that we like, in fact, is called Lato. It's a really clean, sophisticated, really nice looking font. So feel free to use that if you want to. And then you can change the size using the size there, and the weight. Weight can be really interesting. As you can see, if I change it, it gives it a whole new look. So play around and see what you like. That's the best thing to do with this, with Elementor and creating your website. As you watch this video, as I guide you, play around with these settings, because there's limitless options of what you can do. The best thing to do is literally have fun with it, play around. Don't take it too seriously. Just, you can't break anything here. So have a go, play around, see what you like. And if you ever need to undo what you've done, you can click down here in history, and it's got all your history down here. The only thing is, when you update, this history is removed. So when you update, that means you're saving. So the history, or at least when you come out of this page, you won't see this anymore. So if you do want to go back in time or go back to something, just do that before you save it or something. So that is how you edit text. It's that simple. I've shown you how to edit this this divider right here. The text here is the same as I've just showed you, and then you've got a button here. So the button works pretty much the same way as everything else. You click to edit it, you can change the text, add a link in here, you've got alignment,